This video demonstrates a safe yet boundary-pushing self-healing polymer volcano inside a clear acrylic dome. Two-part epoxy with a borax crosslinker forms a viscoelastic gel that ruptures and rapidly reseals as heat and pressure are applied. A gentle heater raises the dome temperature while a simple gauge shows pressure changes, revealing the gel network rebuilding in real time. The eruption plume is a vibrant colored gel that cools and closes the breach within seconds, illustrating polymer chemistry in action. Safety includes goggles, gloves, ventilation, and careful handling of non-toxic components with a closed test chamber at every step.